Hello and welcome to my channel, Retro Rides Rendezvous. My name is Larry, and today I'm going to try to fix a transmission leak in my 1951 Ford. After some inspection, I discovered it was likely that the leak is located where the speedometer cable attaches to the transmission, which is on the driver's side rear of the unit. So I purchased this plug, since I don't have a speedometer anyways, to put up in there. However, the plug looks like it may not work so well because the groove is deep and the O-ring flops around in there pretty badly. I went ahead and bought a second one of these just to make sure, and they're both the same. So I'm going to try to put one in. Yeah, I know oil leaks do make a mess here, and I need to get in right there and do some scraping and cleaning and get this under control under my car. But here you can see where the speedometer cable is supposed to screw on. And that unit slides out of the side of the transmission. It's held on by one bolt. It's a 10mm, and a little piece of metal that goes into a groove and keeps it in there. So here I am removing that. And there's the bolt out. And the mount. And now I just need to get this to pull out of the side of the transmission. Nothing else is holding it in but an O-ring. And out comes that piece. Now inside still you can see the gear that the cable would slide into. That needs to be removed as well. And here I am installing the new plug. It goes in pretty easy. It really does not make a lot of sense that there's no resistance here. And I don't know how this can plug this, but we're going to find out. And it's just reinstalled same way it came out. Put in the part that goes in the groove and put the bolt back in. And the plug has been installed. After filling up the transmission and taking it for a little drive and letting it sit overnight, this is what I came out to find in the morning. So obviously something is wrong with the O-ring and groove combination on these plugs you buy online. So I took it back apart and I filled the groove with JB Weld. And then I took it to my lathe and I turned down the JB Weld in the groove so it was shallower than it used to be. And as you can see, it fits, the O-ring fits now, and actually protrudes where it should to hit the mating surface. I went through the process again, and this actually works now. So we're all good. The transmission leak is fixed. And thank you for watching.